Hello my dear friends, I am your friend JYOTI and this is our channel Smart Learning because here learning is very smart and very effective. Today we are going to take a very important and useful lesson for kids, concept of tens and ones. Nowadays kids are very much confused that why they have to start counting from ones. What does tens mean? What does ones mean? Why they have to write T and O before starting the counting? So, we can make them understand by using few examples. Let's see, I have something. What is this? Yes, I have pencils. Let's count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now see, I am going to do a magic. I will tie these pencils. I had 10 pencils. I have tied it. Now how many bunches of pencils I have? One bunch. And how many pencils are these? 10 pencils. So this is one bunch of 10 pencils. This is 1 tens. 1 tens. 1 tens. Similarly, we can take few more examples. I have few pencil crayons also. So let's count these also. Now these are 10. How many are these? 10. Now we will move forward and count. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Yes. See, I am going to tie this also. This is 1 tens and another bunch. How many bunches? 1 bunch and 2 bunches I have. Second bunch. 1 tens and then 2 tens. It is 20. 1 tens and 2 tens. 1 tens. Now these are 2 tens. 2 bunches of 10 objects. We can take cards, pencils, spoons, erasers, crayons and whatever we have. We just need to make bunches of 10 objects. Then we can count, move forward and make this concept more clear to our kids and friends. Friends, maths needs practice at every step. So keep practicing, keep learning such things with us and keep loving us. If you like this lesson, then like and subscribe the channel. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.